Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here, and in this video, we're gonna show you the top Shopify apps and softwares that you should be using in 2021 to absolutely crush it with your business. Let's go. And really quick before we start, if you wanna learn everything about Shopify, the advertising, the products, the traffic, to really crush it in the new year, and you wanna learn from me live, make sure to join our 5-day live training in the first link in the description. And if you wanna work directly with me and mentor with me and my team and my company, make sure to click that second link in the description and book a free one-on-one discovery call to see if we can help you. The first app up today is Vitals. It is an app that I absolutely love. My students love it as well. You may be familiar with it. It is about 40 apps in one. It really combines many different apps. It allows you to replay your customers, which basically means once a customer goes into your website, it allows you to really discover all their customer path, record all the session, and really know where you're lacking, where you're missing. We used to use Lucky Orange a lot, which I still love the app. A lot of students use it, but Vitals also does that. So you don't need to pay for every app differently. You can also use currency conversion, upsells, you can do reviews with it. So just overall, a lot of different things and a lot of different apps. If you are paying extra for a lot of them, then maybe you want to just consider Vitals and cover a lot of those costs. So for example, Vitals is more expensive, $30 per month. They do have a 30-day free trial, which you can try out. It is more expensive than other apps separately, but if you were to combine them, if you are making a lot of money, if you are using all these different apps, then Vitals is a way to have that one with all of those apps without actually paying for each individually. So you can go down here. You can also do volume discounts, countdown timer, cart reserved. I haven't used the Facebook Pixel one, so I really haven't done that. You can also use scarcity, pop-ups, shipping info. You can add a little shipping widget to your product page, currency switcher, instant search bar, SEO. You can also do it. You can do Wheel of Fortune, which is a little Wheelio app. It replaces that one as well. Trust badges, sales pops, Instagram feed, which I haven't used, but it's a really good one, a really good feature of this app. And they have a really good customer support. You can pretty much do a lot of different apps together. You can do the sale ends in, you can do little scarcity here like hurry, only 99 units. So for example, if you're getting a lot of traffic to your Shopify store, you're not making as many sales as you want, and you want to add a little bit extra, a little bit more scarcity, a little bit more urgency, you can do it within Vitals. And also if you are getting a lot of sales, but not enough profit, then you can create a bundle and upsell all through Vitals. So it really makes it easy for you to do all the processes in your business. The second app or second software that we use a lot is anything that allows you to put a tracking number on autopilot on PayPal. So PayPal is not a good payment processor, but when you're scaling, and specifically in the beginning more, you will need to use PayPal. A lot of people use PayPal, a lot of people feel comfortable using PayPal, and the main thing that will get very annoying is adding tracking numbers onto PayPal. Highly recommend you use an autopilot software or anything that can upload tracking numbers onto PayPal. To really scale up to 6 figures, 7 figures, you will need something like this. Proofway is one of the apps that we've used, Uptrack Intelligence. And what they basically do is they automatically upload all your tracking numbers, automatically upload all the information to PayPal, and you basically just have to follow up and make sure that it's working properly. But we had one student who had a lot of different orders that he wasn't really updating tracking numbers, he was forgetting about it, immediately started using Proofway or Uptrack, and all of those orders were automatically updated with their tracking number on PayPal. It makes it very easy for you, specifically when you're scaling. You want to focus on making more money on advertising. You don't want to focus on uploading some tracking numbers or hiring somebody to do that. Highly recommend you get an app for that. The third one, Dropship Toolkit. This is a very simple software. It's not really a Shopify app, but it allows you to really know your numbers. For example, if you're running Facebook ads, let's say that your product costs about $10 from wherever you are sourcing it from, and then you're selling it for about $32. On Facebook, it's extremely important to know your break-even, ROAS, your profit margins. You got to know your cost multiplier. How much are you multiplying your cost by your actual selling price? And specifically, the one that I absolutely love is a break-even ROAS, because a lot of people, they run Facebook ads, they have the ROAS, they're getting sales, which is the ROAS is return on ad spend, how much you're getting for each dollar that you're spending on ads, but they don't know if they're even profitable. They may stop some ad sets, or you may stop some ads or some campaigns just because you think it's not doing well. Or maybe you scale some campaigns because you think it is doing well and it's actually not. So what you want to do is you want to go to Dropship Toolkit. It's completely for free. You want to put in your cost. So if your cost is something complicated like 17.85 per product, and then your selling price is like 55, then you want to make sure that all your ads are over 1.45 or 1.447 or return on ad spend on Facebook or on Google, so that every single dollar that you put in, you're getting at least 1.447 back, so that you know that you're at least breaking even. And if you are breaking even, you're probably losing because of payment fees, merchant fees, maybe you're hiring a VA or something, you are losing some money. So you want to make sure that you're over that break-even ROAS, especially when you're scaling, especially when you're running ads at a high volume. You really want to know your numbers, and absolutely everything in your analytics extremely important. Really quick, before you keep watching, I just want to congratulate Vincent from New Jersey for winning our $0 to $300,000 case study that I did with my student Johnny. We show you the ads, the strategy, and everything that it took to get him to that point. If you want to win that case study, all you got to do is comment your city or your country where you're watching me from. We're a global community all over the world. Subscribe, let's get to 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and like the video down below, and I will pick a winner from this video. The next app up, Reconvert, especially in the beginning when you want to add an upsell or something to just get more money per customer. That's what's important. Just get one person to spend more money per transaction. In the beginning, it's really hard to find a free upsell app or just an upsell app that will really help you get more sales, even if you don't have that many sales. Reconvert, which is a great app. I know the developer and the owner, great guy, really interested in your results. They actually give you a free plan of 50 sales. So you can basically get 50 sales before you need to start paying for the app. And what the app basically does is it allows you to build a custom landing page after somebody buys from you. So let's say that this is your store and somebody buys from your store. They then go on to a custom thank you page after they buy. And in that thank you page, you sell them more products, or either more of what they already bought, or you cross-sell them another product, or maybe you're trying to test a product, see if it's working. You can add it on as an upsell, and this will dramatically increase how much people spend on your website. This will allow you to spend more money on ads, beat your competitors. It'll allow you to scale up your profit margins. So maybe your break-even return on ad spend can be even lower because you are getting more money per customer. You're being more profitable. You can scale a lot better. And using upsells, cross-sells, anything that makes people buy after they've already bought from you, highly recommend you have something like this. And like I said, even if you are starting out, even if you are just getting a couple of sales, Reconvert allows you to use it for free so you can get some sales. And it's just a great app. Any app for upsells, highly recommend it for 2021. The next one up, Pagefly. It's an advanced page builder, or that's what they call it. We've been using it a lot with our students, and we've been talking about it for about 6 months at this point. It basically allows you to create a one product store or one product landing page inside of your own store. So what Pagefly allows you to use is, let's say that you want to build a one product store for your product, for one product that you have. And you already have a Shopify store, maybe it's a general store or a niche store. Let's say that instead of creating a whole new one product store, you just create a one product landing page. That's what Pagefly allows you to do. There's also another app called Gem Pages. And what it basically does is, if we go here, it allows you to take one of their templates. They have a lot of templates. We have one template for a private mentorship student. You take that template and then you create your own page like that on the back end. You put all the headings, the paragraphs, everything that the page needs to look like. And then you create your own product landing page for that product. And let me just give you an example. Let's say you want to sell this LED thermos right here, and instead of creating a one product store for it outside of your original niche store or general store that you have, you create a one product landing page. And it looks like this. You have intelligent LED thermos. You have everything well structured, looks really clean, really beautiful. Have some testimonials going on here. The features, you can put a video or a GIF, favorite recipes on the go. Best premium quality, a little video again, what makes it special. Don't just take our word for it. You can add some testimonials as well. If you don't have people to add testimonials, or you don't have any pictures for your testimonials, you can go to a website called thisperson.com, does not exist. It's kind of a creepy website, but if you want to add some really nice pictures to your testimonials, all you got to do is reload this page. And this is basically an AI, or artificially intelligent generated person. So this person does not exist. It isn't a real person. And if you click it again, the next one that pops up, this isn't a real person. It's just an AI generated formation of a human. It's very creepy, but you can use it for your testimonials. You can just copy paste this and actually use it right here. This student has actually used this. They are all fake people, and you can put them in your testimonials. So if the actual person sees it, they're not mad at you. You have the FAQ down here, and you have the rush my order, which you can just click it, go to the checkout page. Why choose us? So the page looks really beautiful, very clean, looks professional, and it is made on Pagefly or on Gem Pages or any custom landing page builder that you can use. Highly recommended. Instead of building a whole one product store, you can just create a one product landing page inside of your own store, instead of the same domain, same store, same account, same everything. And the last software that I recommend you to use, especially as you scale up, if you're already making 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures, and you want to really take care of your customer service, which is extremely important, especially when you're making a lot of money, a lot of staff, a lot of team members that are all over the place. Gorgias, I actually know the owner. It is a live chat app that allows you to take all of your live chats or all of your support ways that you can communicate with your customers and put them in one place. Allows you to centralize all your customer service channels. And what it does basically is you can take all of the channels that you use. For example, let's say you have Facebook, you have Messenger, you have Instagram, you have email, you have chat, you have like Zendesk, you have this other feature, you have like the contact form on your website. It allows you to synchronize all of them into one. You have them in this app, and you can also use really nice templates. You can reduce response time, take just like customer first name, tracking number, or order number, or whatever, just put it into the email, click send. And Zendesk, another app that I use for this, is really good, but it just allows you to use Zendesk. Like, that's the only way that you can reply to people. It's a great app, don't get me wrong. Just pull it up on Zendesk. Online, Zendesk, right here. It's really good for customer service, but people actually have to send an email only. They don't have to actually go on Facebook and send a message. They can't go on Instagram and send a message. So it all has to be done through email. And Gorgias allows you to just do it all in the same place, so that you can just send an email on Facebook, it'll get tracked there. You can send an email on the contact form, it'll get tracked there. A message somewhere else, it can get tracked there. So everything, you have it synchronized, you have it very well organized, and you can keep your team members in one simple spot. Really good, especially when you're scaling up and you want to take care of your customer service, systemize everything, automate everything, and absolutely scale up perfectly. That was it for the top Shopify apps to use, or top Shopify softwares for 2021. If you want my help, if you want me to mentor you and my team to help you build your business up to the 6-figure, 7-figure level, and you really need help getting everything structured, making the right moves with advertising products, just book a call, book a one-on-one free discovery call with that second link down in the description. See if the mentorship is right for you. We have students absolutely crushing it. Johnny here making $100,000 consistently every single month with many different stores. And we just have very high level people in there making 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures that can definitely help you with your business. Make sure to click that second link down in the description and book a free call. Now that you know the top Shopify apps and softwares to use for 2021, how about the best niches and products to sell on your Shopify store? I made a list in the top products, niches, product categories to sell in 2021. You can check that video in the square that's gonna pop up right here. Make sure to subscribe. Let's get to 50,000 subscribers by 2021. Hit that like button down below and make sure to join the 5-day live training coming up soon. I will see you on the next video.